Welcome to Lightmail, the new email app inside Lightfunnels. Lightmail helps you send automated emails, order updates, directly from your store or funnel. Let's set it up together. First, go to your Lightfunnels dashboard. Click on Lightmail. Once inside, enable the app. This allows your account to use the built-in Lightfunnels email system. Now, let's set up your email identity. Start by editing the sender name. This is the name your customers will see inside their inbox. Choose something clear and recognizable. Next, select your sending domain. Your domain improves trust and email delivery performance. Now select the emails you want to send automatically. You can enable order confirmation emails, order fulfillment updates, order cancellation notifications, or order refund. You can activate only what you need, or enable all events. Choose what fits your workflow. Once done, open the Email Set section. Here you can edit an existing email group or create a new one. Click Customize to open the email builder. Inside the builder, you can fully design your email. You can drag and drop sections, reorder elements easily, and you can use Lightmail AI to generate your email content instantly. The AI helps you write faster while keeping professional messaging. Open the Branding tab. Here you can add your logo, your business address, and your brand colors. This keeps your emails aligned with your store identity. Inside Theme, you can adjust fonts, text size, and overall styling. Small visual changes here make your emails look more professional. Go to the Links section. Add product links or your social media pages. This helps customers return to your store or funnel in one click. Next, choose the email language. Lightmail can translate your email content to your customer's language. This helps you communicate globally without extra work. Before finishing, check the preview modes. Switch between desktop view and mobile view. Make sure your email looks perfect on every device. Once you are done setting up your email templates, you can send a test email to preview how your email will look inside your customer's inbox. When everything looks good, click Save. Now create a new email group. Choose a template that matches your product. Don't worry, you can customize it anytime. Click Save again. And that's it. Your Lightmail system is now ready to automatically send updates, keep customers informed, and improve your post-purchase experience. Welcome to smarter email automation with Lightfunnels.